Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into TymeBank on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone using Face ID or Touch ID and make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Open the TymeBank app. Tap the TymeBank app icon on your home screen. You will see the TymeBank welcome login screen. Step 3. Enter your login details. On the login screen, enter your registered mobile number, then type in your TymeBank password. If prompt, enable Face ID or Touch ID for quicker future logins. Step 4. Complete security verification. For security, TymeBank may ask you to confirm your identity using Face ID, enter a one-time PIN, OTP sent to your number, or approve the login in the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. Step 5. Access your account. Once verified, you will be logged into your TymeBank dashboard where you can check your balance, send and receive money, pay bills, manage cards and savings goals. And that's how to log in into TymeBank using an iPhone. For your safety, always log out if you are using a shared device. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.